This is going to be a gratitude, full of gratitude, heartfelt thanks video to all of you who have liked, who have commented, who have heard so many videos with lot of patience, to all the speakers, to all the admins, to every one of you who have really made this celebration Rao Sir Day a very memorable week, and it's going to be memorable for years to come, because these videos, which are the catch of Sir's touch of his teachings, they are going to be heard and followed by innumerable homeopaths all across for years to come. And we will try our best to compile them and give it as a gift to every homeopath, to welcome him in HHF. So I will just share how this Telegram group came into picture for so many of you who have joined recently, or who have just joined and started enjoying it casually. So this memory is very important for one reason, because at that time Sir was always, his inclination was that when a homeopath is in college, at that time itself he needs a support, he needs that drive, he needs somebody, a guide, to bring him out of that shell and give him that confidence that yes, you can practice homeopathy immediately coming out of college. It is not necessary you have to do RMOship, or you have to do some job, or you need to have some savings. It is not at all essential. And his very strong support was a guide to all of us, and he wanted this to reach out to every homeopath in every corner of this world, every corner of India, of Maharashtra. So he stretched himself to reach out to every corner of Maharashtra, and that was his capacity. He gave his best. And through the social media, at that time this Telegram app was newly launched, and Vrushali was the one who was into a lot of social media, and she started with this Telegram group, and Sir named it as College Se Clinic Tak. And his only motto was that a homeopath should be supported and guided right from the time he leaves his college until the time he becomes independent enough to manage his clinic on his own. And with this idea, he started with this group, and he would, let me tell you, he would read every message of this Telegram group, no matter what time of the day it is, no matter what time of the night it is. Before going to sleep, he has to read every message very carefully. He would analyze the people just by the messages, what they are posting. And at that time, I would see him, he would call up Vrushali and say, to this case you reply in this manner, to this case you post these rubrics, to this case you post this remedy, give this explanation for this type of a question. And that kind of guidance that he gave to every new homeopath who was in the group, to Vrushali. And it was a great thing for us that, after such a hectic day in his clinic, in the a lot of planning of seminars, of his outdoor visits, after doing all that, he gave his best to bring this Telegram group also rise and shine. And after he left us, and after he was not in, this Telegram group was like, feeling orphan without Sir, and that kind of guidance and everything seemed little scattered. We started with another group, and that is HHF Field. We gathered all the homeopaths once again who were there with us in that group, and that's the way how we all are together, and that's the way how people are joining us more and more. And I would not leave this opportunity to express my you can say apology, or whatever it is, that whenever I get direct with a person, whenever I object to something, it is not with the intention of any personal grudge or anything. It is just with the intention that it is the name of our master, it is the name of our organization, and we should always try our best to keep ourselves distant from mistakes or errors. And it is bound, we are all humans, it is bound to happen. I have learned so much, so I have done so many mistakes, maybe in this group and outside, and I am learning. At every step I am learning. There is something stupid I do every time, and then I am pinpointed by people, and I make sure that I take that opportunity to come ahead and rectify myself next time, not from doing it. Or so this Telegram group has really refined me like anything. As a person, as a homeopath, I'm learning so much. So please don't take any of the comments which are coming from the admins or from anybody to your heart and get disheartened in any way. It is just a learning platform. It is just a platform where we can express ourselves, where the first platform or the basic platform where you can solve your daily queries. At that time we used to have seminar. The first seminar that was attended by Dr. Mayur and Dr. Nikhil, that time we had arranged 2 seminars, okay, and 2 seminar for one seminar was for the basic crowd, so it was labeled as basic and advanced. So they had attended HHF seminar, they were attending for the first time. So they were in the basics group, and since I had joined a year prior maybe, so I was in the advanced group, but I was still in college at that time. So these kind of things used to happen, that basic and advanced. But frankly speaking, what really mattered was that how much you grab from whatever it is. But I think after this Telegram was launched and started, so this thing of creating the basic foundation got resolved. Creating this basic foundation by how we take the case, how we analyze, what is the basis of how we see a person, how we go into that intricacies of case taking. So that solid foundation, once you know that this is how we approach a case, and that is what matters for you to attend our seminars in the first place. So Telegram really helped the homeopaths to come to our seminars directly if they have understood our basics over here. So this is one biggest benefit of Telegram. And then CTPs were started, so that if a person has attended CTPs continuously, then it becomes easy to attend our seminars where very high profile pathological new remedies are explored in great detail. So every platform of learning is very essential, and take it positively. Don't get disheartened at any point. You are bound to make mistakes. See, we are all humans, and it's completely human to err, okay? We are not God, and we should not try to be. Just be natural, just be cool about it, just feel enthusiastic of sharing your success stories with everyone over here. And you start sharing, you start answering to questions, and you start searching for answers. And when you start searching for answers, you are bound to grow. And that's how the admins of this group, and especially I made this video to thank each of the admin of our group, right? You see the variety, and this is all a source creation, that the admins of our group are from so many parts of India, right from Archana Thorat from Nasik. She has started practicing homeopathy just 2 years back. Can you imagine? After a huge break, and the kind of cases she's presented in our group, it's been marvelous. The pathological cases, and with wonderful results. Then there's this Dr. Madhur Deshmukh. Okay, he has presented very rarely, but he is a very good prescriber. He's from Nasik again. We have a lot of very excellent prescribers from Nasik. Dr. Pranoti, she has joined us just 2 years back again, and she is doing very well. And So this is how people have grown with us. And then there is Nivedita, the tiny little sweet girl who has cracked a case of infertility also recently. So she's from Kalyan, and she's also described about her experience with Dr. Ninad and Dr. Mayur so nicely. And then there is Dr. Vandana Saraswat. She's from Pune. Okay, and she has also been upfront in presenting her cases in our group. Then there is Dr. Vandana from Aurangabad, and she is one of the pillar of Aurangabad HHF, and she is an excellent prescriber, and really we want her to come ahead much more. And there is Dr. Ujjwala from Govandi. She's an excellent prescriber, and I have seen her prescriptions in the camp of mentally challenged children that we have in Mankur, and the cases to which she has prescribed, it's been so amazing. The results are really very fascinating. Then there is Dr. Trusha, the pillar of Hyderabad HHF, and people call her Mama, and she's been a very strong lady, very generous, and she is bound to rise with all of us. Then Dr. Sheetal Alone from Gondia, and she's such a sentimental lady, very sweet, and definitely you're going to rise higher and higher. Your tears are going to give you all that you deserve, Dr. Sheetal. Then there's Dr. Anita Yadav from Bhinder, recently joined us maybe a year or two back, and she's been doing very well. And there is Dr. Jigna, the sweet, sweet and very nice, intelligent girl, very hardworking and dedicated to all the case workings of Nagpur HHF. Then there's Dr. Mithun and Shilpa from Nagpur again. They are ardent and very hardworking homeopaths. They are contributing, these Nagpur HHF homeopaths are contributing to our Saturday stories very diligently. Then there is Dr. Sanjeevni and Dr. Kavita from Amravati HHF. Very beautiful ladies, hardworking. Kavita's husband is equally supportive to all the activities she is doing, and really an inspirational husband for all of us. So this is how it has to be, to go hand in hand with your partner and grow together. So then there is Dr. Rashmi from Nanded, and she is so simple and so sweet. You see her video on Facebook Live, you will understand the kind of humility she beholds. She's been with HHF for a very long time, and a silent hard worker she is. Then there is PC and Geeta, the toddlers of Sir in the last few months, and they have gained maximum of Sir's best of knowledge, intelligence, and everything that Sir had reached at a point where he could catch cases in few seconds, and that's the best phase of Sir that they have seen. So they are going to rise anyways. So then there's Dr. Sajid. Dr. Sajid has been so dedicatedly involved in the work of being with COVID patients, and he's a superb prescriber. We have seen his cases, and many times he has presented such wonderful video cases with all the blurring, and he helps us a lot in doing all the video editing to present cases with you all. So Dr. Priya Shobha from Andhra Pradesh just joined us a matter of few years, a year maybe, and she's in the admin group just because of her consistency, because of her articulateness of her presenting cases. She's to the point and very precise in her analysis. So that's the reason why she's in the admin group. And then there's Dr. Aparna Kulkarni from Kalyan, a very beautiful singer, gracious voice with good intelligence, and she's my senior from my college, YMT, and her way of catching remedies, the feel that she catches is very nice. Then there is Dr. Shilpa Pandey. All the Shilpas seem to be very perfect and hardworking. She is from Navi Mumbai, and she has a lot of passion to rise and grow, and she will. Then there's Dr. Ashish Vyas from Chandrapur, our hero of HHF, because he loves all the heroes of Bollywood and he can enact them well. He can fit all the remedies to them, and that's how with that passion he catches patients also. Then there is Dr. Meghna Pingle from Nasik, a very sweet, simple, and dedicated lady. The way she described her husband, my husband went in style and told, she's my baiko. So she's very sweet, and she's the woman power of Nasik HHF. Then there's Dr. Mrunal, who did her debut with the online session that we recently started because thanks to COVID, and she has given that exemplary example of how any time you join HHF, no matter how many long years of break you have taken, but whenever you join and whenever you want to begin practicing homeopathy, you can just do it at any time. Dr. Yogesh Rajurkar, the king of admins, the king of our Telegram group, and when he comes, like, there is no end to discussions. We just want him to go on and on. Then there is Dr. Shrutika and Dr. Pallavi Gizre from Thane. They both are so sweet and simple and very, very intelligent ladies, and they are kind of thinking with so much of depth, with minimum information or maximum information. They will go to the depth of remedies and explain you. So they both have got that kind of inclination of thinking differently and with lot of depth in their thought processes. It's very amazing to listen to them or to see them presenting. Then there's Dr. Anuradha. She has been with Telegram group of HHF for a very long time, and she's been silent many times, she's been upfront many times, and when she becomes active, the kind of energy she brings to the group, it's really amazing. And we want to see her live taking lectures more often. What she has to give her debut fast, so all of you can urge her to do so. Then there's Dr. Arpana Alone from Vasai, again another dedicated lady, and who has been presenting consistently very nice cases. Thank you all of you admins. Keep going, keep working hard, and keep staying with so much of togetherness for all the days and years to come, and may this admin group keep rising and rising. Thank you so much. Bye.